We did halfway we did it, but again there is this view here, sunset, this tree, like. Hi guys, what's up everybody? This is Leila Ali speaking, and from wherever you're watching me from, I greet you in the name of the Most High. So today we are taking a stroll around the village. It will work, yes. This is a big quarry, guys. Look at this. I don't know if it's seen. You stand from up here and there is a big quarry. It's down deep from up there. I think the Chinese who made it's an SGR. Are you seeing it? Unaiona? There is an SGR. Yeah, it's there. Let me zoom it in. Ooh, it's there. You see SGR? Oh, I can see it. It's there. Guys. Yeah, it's over there. There. It's gone. I think we have a station from the other side, but yo, look at this place, the way it's steep. Let me zoom out the camera. The way it's steep. When you go down there, you slide from here. Whee! Boom. Look at my nini. Hi guys, what's up everybody? Tunasema what's up everybody. No, I'm doing YouTube, but people wanashanga. Mbona huyu jamaa sauti inaonekana but they are not seeing my face. Everyone listens to my maybe stories, they view video, but hakuna faces. Don't worry guys, don't worry. Hi guys, speaking, and yo, from wherever you're watching me from, I greet you in the name of the Most High. Thank you guys, thank you. Let's go down there. I have someone there. I want to go to meet her there. She's doing a lot. Our yesterday imbuzi alikuwa anaitwa jana? Alikuwa anaitwa Milu. Is it Milu? Yo, Milu. That is it. Is it Milu? Nipata nimebebana na handkerchief. Mimi ninafanya kwa wenyewe. We go. Tende home. We go home. How are you?
Kwa nini hataki kwenda?
Hajashiba ama. Nako mimba.
Sasa nione kama
Sindio? She's pregnant, heavy.
This one no, mtoto wake si huyo nimemchapa sasa hivi. Amezaa tu ako 3 months.
After kuza? They're going home.
Nimemwambia asiingie kwa wenyewe.
Okay. Oh, this place is steep. You see how steep this place is? Because yeah, there is. Oh, bees. Oh, there are bees. Ndio hizi. Umeziona? Oh, hapa ndo zinachukua nini? Spinach. Guys. Ana hizi spinach yenye ziko sawa. Alikuwa anamuita baba nani? Look at this spinach, guys. Organic spinach. They're very organic, eh? Kwa naitwa baba salmon. Na hizi ni zile viazi ndogo these za white ndani. Don't know how people call these tomatoes. Hizi tomatoes zinaitwa aje? Like see that tomatoes. Wamefanyia mulch. Oh, this is the mulching tunafaa kufanya kwa ile shamba yetu. We. Sasa hapa ndo kuna seed bed. We want to come and pick some managus, skuma, at an affordable cost. Here we have a way. Nilisikia unapitia hapo wendi hivyo dayo. Ndio utoke kwako kwa bridge. Imepandwa kupandwa. Ona tu. I think hii ndio hizo za seasonal zenye tunataka. Hizi hapa. And then kuna managu. Hey, this is Africa. Yeah, this is a seed. Ni seed bed ama seed? Alafu mtu anapita hapo, kuna njia baada ya kuteremka. Okay. I think they want to water the seed bed. Hii ni nini?
Hii ni sukuma.
Sukuma? Zio seasonal.
Wameka kwa nini?
Ndo zinaamka. Hani watu wako na mkono ukulima.
Maana vile wanachota maji kwa karibu.
Yaki. Hizi zisha grow vizuri. Hebu let's see this other side dayo. Penye wanachota. Imagine this stream ni kubwa. I had shown my people the stream. Tutaonyesha village echoes from this other side. Habari zenyu? What? Wanachota hapa. This is a stream. Hatu tujionyesha na hii stream kutoka huko juu. This just like a nini. Nitogaje? YouTube. River YouTube from Nyabohanse. People are here. But in Ngong where I stay, it's too much cold. Hawezi try kuogelea kwa hiyo River YouTube. You can never try that at all. But I think hatujapata rain so much I flow na nidayo. It's not flowing. Haipitiki, true. Haipitiki. Unaona hizi mawe I think pia zinakuwa covered na maji. Look at that. It's been so sunny. This other side hatujapata maji mob. That's why we see this. Gosh. I think that's our way still. We still go there. Tukienda. And I tell people you are from Ngong. Look at that.
Allah.
You see venye imekuja hadi karibu. And it's quite far. Unatumia Samsung. Samsung inaweza zooming. Mona venye kofa. Then the sun is setting. Look at that view, guys. Oh. Look at that. I talk. Why?
Lakini inakuonyesha kile.
Nimeivuta mpaka kwa 4. Acha turudi kwa 5.
Hapa zinaonekana swali.
Nenda back. Too smart. Look at the sun is setting, guys. Na ndizi yenyewe ni kubwa. Man, this is Africa. Look at that. That banana there. Wow. The bananas are super heavy. To an extent they are falling down. Sijui kama inaonekana. Anywho, we go. Kenye na nibomba ni sunset. Look at the sunset over there. Can I pull it closer? Look at that.
The next day.
Morning. I am from my morning walk. I want to show you the beauty of Ngong. Hi guys, what's up everybody? It's Leila Ali. You can hear me breathing a lot. I'm from my morning walk. Look at the beauty of Ngong Hills. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Sorry for shaking. Oh, look at that. It is still mist up there. Oh my goodness.
2 hours later.
Look at this. All these ni onions. From where to the other point? The skumawikis, mother plants, they are the ones that are left. Do you see the mother plants? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Those are mother plants. There it's prepared, waiting for the rain. And then we have skumas here. In English zinaitwaje? Kel. There is another name. And then another skumas there. Come this way. Spinach. My gate is over there. Oh, the gate is over there, not my gate. This is my neighbor's place. You can see we are quite farmers in the village, in Kajiado North village. This is Olepolos. Another skuma there. These ones are coriander, but they are overgrown. We're waiting for their seeds. There is some seed bed over there. The other ones, I can't move much closer to them. I'm coming, Dayo. Dayo, natuja. You see, these are seed beds for tomato seed beds, but I think they overgrew a lot. She was kind enough to give me some seed beds that I'm going to lay on my immediate farm up there. The other side ni kunde. On the other side there are kunde. You come close. Skuma wikis are cleaned, waiting for any rain so that they rise again. But these ones are coriander. They are waiting for seeds for them to develop. This is a nice place. Very nice. See, wamepanda nini pale? They have redone the spinach here. You see? A lot of water, and they will rise too with organic manure. That's an organic manure down there laid. Organic manure. This place is super cute. And these ones, they are ready to be eaten. Look at it. Look at it. Yo. So fresh. Africa, we are so blessed. Our nation, the seed that we get, plus the growth that we get, always massive. This is organic spinach. Oh my goodness. In the summary, I can just say Africa, we are blessed. The motherland is blessed. Later that day, we are preparing French fries. Dayo naangusha chips chini wewe. I think you meant tosha. Make them even up.
Nasumbua.
So scared of cookies?
Kuku anakula. Kuku anakula. Kukineze kama kamasi mimi nishaiona.
The enjoyment that was found around here, it was massive. Something like French fry, they are called chips in Kenya. It's rare to find people cooking the chips in the village this much. The ones that cook, they are for sale. But today I decided to do this for my village people, for my kids and the neighbors' kids, just to appreciate and have a little fun. Everyone was super busy. Everyone was ready to have some bite of the chips. Even the chicken, I can see they were really enjoying. Thank you for watching. As everyone was enjoying our today's chips, we wanna say bye bye till the next one.